Do you know how troublesome it is to fix a water-damaged phone? This one is also water-damaged. The phone shows signs of life except the screen is dark. Everything else is functioning. Of course, a dark screen is the most basic issue of water damage. To find out the exact cause, the phone needs to be disassembled. Since this is a water-damaged phone, there are many reasons that could cause the screen to be dark. Let's use the process of elimination. We will check for faults step by step. First, remove the screen. Hello. Take out a new screen and test it. Generally, water damage does not cause screen issues. It's likely a short circuit in some part of the phone. Let's fix this water-damaged phone now. Isn't it quite troublesome?